First one is the DC server, this one delivery controller, and one we created Active Directory server. Okay, today we'll go for the VDAs. How to create a VDA or master image. So, there are two type of things in Citrix. Either we'll go for the Zenap default technology, that is MCS. It's the MCS. MCS stands for machine creation. This is the default feature of Zenap and ZenDesktop 7.x. Apart from this, we have one more option is PVS. PVS is a stand for provisioning services. Okay, this is for disk virtualization. So here, what we'll do, we'll create a VDA server first. Okay, we logged in into the Digis2, and once we go to the Active Directory server, here this server will be go for the DSA.msc. First, or second is DNSMGMT. DNSMGMT. In the first machine, we'll install delivery controller, and another machine will install VDA. It's a virtual delivery agent. And here in this machine we'll install whatever server application we want to, like PDF. We'll install Office. Okay, and once the installation done, at the time of installation of VDA, it will give us two options. First, install a VDA, simple, or second, create a master image. Then what we'll do, we'll create a master. We can say it's a master image, on in Citrix we can say it's a golden image. If someone says it's a golden image, then the master image or golden image is the same thing. So we'll make this server as a master image. After that, we'll open Studio Console. What is Studio Console? Can anyone tell me what is Studio Console? So once our master image is created, then we'll open the Studio Console. It's a DIO. Okay, and then from Studio Console we'll try to create a delivery controller or search here. Suppose we got a request to create 5 servers in a bulk. So what would be the best option, to create 5 servers manually, or is using an third-party tool or the Citrix tool, or create these servers automatically?
Well, automatically.
Obviously,
Manual.
no. Obviously, automatic process is the best because it will save your time.
Yes.
So
Yes.
suppose we have created multiple master images. Master image based on the it could be based on the location, uses of application, department wise. Okay, so we have created one more master image over here.
Sir, I have a question. How to create master image by self?
Yeah, I will tell you. I will show you the practical how to create the master image in this environment. Okay, I
Okay,
will
sir.
show you. So I'm just telling you the theory how it's working, and after that I will show you how to create the master image and what are the available options. Like here, so this I think I have covered this in previous session. This one. First we create catalog. Let me increase this. Is it visible for you guys?
Yes.
Yes.
This is instance. So first we create the master image. To create master image, once we starting the installation of XenApp and XenDesktop, at that time it gives a window. First window to install XenApp, or then second option is there is a XenApp or XenDesktop. Once we select XenDesktop, XenApp and XenDesktop, it shows us the next pop-up window, in which in the left side it's showing to install delivery controller, in the right side is showing VDA. Do you remember this? In the previous practical window I shown you that thing. Durgesh,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
do you remember that? Is a VDA option or a delivery controller?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Just a little remember because I am not a practice.
okay, so in the delivery controller we need to select the VDA option. It's the right side option, VDA.
Yes, sir.
So once we select the VDA, it will ask either you want to create a master image or you want to install it. So I need to choose the master image, and it will create the master image of that server. And same here. So we'll create 2 master images, and from Studio Console, once we go to create the catalog, machine catalog. Okay. So at the time of machine catalog creation, it will ask, do you want to create machines of desktop or servers? Then as per our requirement, we'll choose it's a server or desktop. And then it will ask how many machines do you want to create. And before that, it will ask the machine catalog name and basic things. And after that, it will ask the number of machine. we need to provide the number of machines like 5, 6, 7, whatever we. And next we finish. Then the MCS process will create the machines. And remember, MCS process will always create the copy of your server. Is a master server. The whole server copy will create here. And using this, the same copy of the server created here with the same configuration. Whatever the RAM, whatever the CPU, whatever the applications are in the master image, that will create here. Okay, and the same thing. Once the machine catalog will created, you will go to the next option, that will to create a delivery group or application. So at the time of creating the delivery groups, you can select the number of application servers. It could be in a delivery group you want to keep one server or two server or all servers in the same delivery group, or you can create the multiple delivery groups using these servers, like first server for delivery group 1, second, third for delivery group 2, third, fourth for delivery group 3. Okay, and according to that you can publish the applications for the users. Apart from MCS, if we are going for the PVS is for disk virtualization. It means first you need to download provisioning services from Citrix, and then you need to build a server same as Citrix server. You need to install the Windows first, then you need to install the provisioning services on that, and after that you will create a master disk or golden image. This would be as a golden image. Same, this is your golden image or master catalog. Same in the PVS is a golden image or master disk. And using this disk you can create the multiple images of this disk and attach that disk to the server, any of the server. In this server you need to go to the BIOS settings, and from there you can map the hard disk. Or at the time of creating this machine you need to choose the image disk, and these machines will boot using the image disk of this server. And what is the benefit? If I am talking about the what are the benefits using MCS or PVS? PVS, if I am talking about on-prem or the data center, I am not talking about the cloud environment. Okay, in that case PVS is to save your storage cost. In the organization always the storage cost is very high. So to reduce the storage cost we use PVS. As well as if suppose you have multiple locations like US, UK, Asia, China, blah blah blah, so there are multiple locations. In that case PVS is most effective. It will gives you the minimum latency, and as well as it can be shared the data from one location to one zone to another zone, or one location to another location easily. But in MCS is not possible. If you are in the multiple location, your data centers are in the multiple location, then MCS will always gives you the latency, or it will like if you created the MCS environment in US location, then UK will access these applications with some delay. Second thing, MCS is effective supportable with cloud environment, but PVS doesn't support the cloud. PVS for disk virtualization, MCS is create the image of complete server. MCS is inbuilt technology of Citrix, Xenap and Zendesk 7.x, but PVS is a separate package and separate license is required for PVS. These are the basic differences. Till here, everything is clear or any doubt?
Okay,
Yes.
sir. No, sir.
Okay. Apart from that, I mentioned here that is a XA and XE. XT 7.x is a. There are three type of databases, which I think in the last session we have created while we are configuring that. We have created the site database, monitoring database, and logging database. Monitoring database is for director application. Director is for monitoring. For monitoring and troubleshooting purpose, we'll use director. Logging database is to store administrative changes, and same in 6.5 is a configuration logging database. The same one to store the administrative changes on systems. Studio management console for 7.x, director for monitoring and troubleshooting. Clear?